Unicorns, it's me, Frank, back with another video for you. Today I don't even have any makeup on because I'm way too excited to unbox the Cricut Maker 3. This is a cutting machine that is used to cut vinyl and metal and stickers and all sorts of different things that you can use for it, and I invested in myself and my business since I sold my car and it's too expensive to drive. I thought this would be a good way to try to make some money. So we're going to open it up today. I'm very excited. It was expensive, like really expensive. So hit down to my Etsy down below if you would like to purchase anything, or my OnlyFans if you'd like to support me, because this was really, really fucking expensive. But it was definitely an investment in myself and my business and my art. Yeah, so let's open it up. And if anybody's wondering, I got this from Michael's Canada, and no, you cannot use a coupon on it. You have to pay full price even if you work there. All right, took the tape off. Let's do that. I've never bought a Cricut before either, so I really have no idea what I'm doing. I guess I have used one though at my work, so that was the thought process. Oh my god. I don't know if it's even gonna fit on my desk, but I guess we'll see. I don't know what that is. Wow, it's pretty. It's pretty big. Oh, it came with the mat. Wait, sticker cardstock. Oh, okay. I have no idea what it came with. I thought it didn't come with anything, so that's interesting. I was really certain that it just came with the machine. So there she is. She's huge. Grab the other stuff out of it. Box. So this is the machine. Awesome! It's so pretty. So as you can see, it's brand new. Haven't even touched it before. Okay, looks like we have a USB cable and a power cable. So that's awesome. I like the color. It only has the one color, so it's this nice regular, I guess it's like a bluey kind of color. Does it fit? So it will fit back here, so that's awesome. I can do it on my table. I don't think it'll take up too much space. I should be able to do other stuff. They're cutting the lawn and I was too excited to put in my microphone. So it looks like it will nicely stay on my desk. It looks like it has this nice little holder there. Okay. Oh, I better just do a nice little X-Acto knife. Oh, don't scratch anything. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, it's big. It's very, very big. Wow. Holy crap, it's hot as balls in here today. And of course I have the window shut. I'm just going very slowly because this is a $550 machine and I do not want to do any damage to it whatsoever because it is so expensive. Like I said, definitely a bit of an investment. And I really thought about what one I wanted for a while, and I had decided on either the Explorer or the Maker. And then I thought, I don't even have one. Oh, wow. So why don't we just get the big one? Wow. Oh, is this for holding your tablet? That's cool. I got this and the little cutter there. I'm gonna have to read all about it. So let's just, oh, can I do this? Yeah. We're just gonna shut it for now. You can see it's got the buttons and things on there. A little tool holder on the side. That's cool. Might be a good spot for my X-Acto knife. So that's it. We're not going to use it just a second. Do I need anything to go in the back? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much room it takes up. But let's see what this is. Okay. Warning to avoid danger of suffocation, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's weird that, is there no instructions? Or, oh, right. This thing. I forgot. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see. Oh, it's got like a little practice one, I guess. Warranty. Awesome. Okay. FCC statement. Important safety instructions. Indoor use in dry locations only. Do not use in or near water. Fuck. Because I paint on here. I guess I could cover it. Well, it's going to sit here for now, probably. Cool. Activate your machine at cricut.setup.com. Okay, and then there's like all this information on here. So it looks like it came with a little bit of smart vinyl. Oh fuck, does it need smart vinyl? I guess we'll find out. Smart paper sticker cardstock. That's cool. Okay, so let's see here. So it came with like some, oh okay, some transfer, some smart vinyl, iron-on. Oh, is this iron-on? Oh, dope. Smart iron-on. And a smart paper sticker cardstock. So it did come with a few things. That's cool. Oh, I think you can like print on this. That's neat. Awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's all it came with. That's it for unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys and have a little fun, and I will show you in the near future what I make with it. Thanks for watching, unicorns. Stay safe and remember, love is the answer.